Today we're doing a little garden and maintenance and potato harvest. Another nice potato harvest. It's time to get them all pulled up. Make room for something else. Got everything tied up. Another nice potato harvest. That basil's going to come on and get pretty big. More potatoes. Got everything tied up. Hoping it's going to grow out of the damage. Got this bed weeded. Got the cucumbers running. The squash is looking better today. The beets are looking good. Went ahead and pulled up the rest of the turnips. We've already put up enough, so I'm just going to leave these down, let them compost. This squash plant's doing better. So it's going to rain again tonight, another storm. Hopefully it won't tear anything up. So far, so good.